Alright guys, so I'm here at Target. Yes. And I'm gonna take you guys inside and show you what I'm gonna put in my spooky basket. So let's go. Y'all hear that badass little kid crying? What the fuck? I think I'm gonna go with a trick or treat because it's cute. Alright guys, so this glare I know is so annoying, but I don't have anywhere else to film. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I showed you that I got this trick or treat basket. And so I'm making this for my boyfriend. So this all, you have to, it's very like catered towards whoever you're making it for. So it's your best friend, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Just think about stuff they like. So he likes butter popcorn and I'm giving it to him. We're gonna have like a spooky movie night. So I got popcorn. And then I got him 2 movies. I got him Assassin's Creed Lineage. I don't know if he has this already, but why not? And then Spider-Man Homecoming. So I got these 2. And then I got him a little card that says Happy Halloween. I'm gonna write a cute little note in. And then I don't actually know if he likes Peeps, but these were just too cute to pass up. So if he doesn't like them, then I'll eat them. So it's really, it doesn't matter. And then I just got like the stretch spider web that you put like on doors and stuff, and I'm just gonna put it in the bottom. I thought like maybe if he wants to use this because he likes to decorate his house like all creepy, so we'll see. And then I bought, this is also for me, but I'm putting it in his box because like I said, we're gonna have a movie night when I give this to him, and I want to make chocolate chip cookies. So even if he doesn't make them, like I'll literally make them for him. So I'm gonna put this in the box. Oh, so they have these M&Ms at Target. They're like only selling them at Target, and they're cookies and cream. So they're cookies and cream. And I don't know, I just was intrigued, and I was like, this is cute, so I'm gonna put it in there. And then again, I just really liked the bag. So I don't know if he actually wants to eat this, but like, who doesn't like Hubba Bubba gum? Like, the hell? But it's Hubba Bubba gum, and it has a little mommy on it. So I thought it was cute. And then lastly, I got us both face masks, black face masks, because black Halloween peel off. I thought they were cute, so I added those in there because my man likes his face clean. Ladies, get your man a skincare routine. He'll love you forever. Facts, 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 facts. Oh, I got one more thing, so let me go get it. Alright guys, lastly I got him this little Boo pumpkin because my boyfriend, his whole family calls him Boo. And so I got him a pumpkin. And it says Boo on it. And I just thought it was cute. Again, if he doesn't want this, I will take this and I will put this in my room. But, wow, this lighting. I wish it wasn't like splotchy. Like I look so good right now. Okay. But, this is what I got. So now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put it all together. Okay? Okay. So I'm just going to do this standing up. Because like, why not? Let me get some scissors. Safety first, chillins. If you're under 18, get a parent's permission. Alright. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put it into our trick-or-treat basket. I'm just going to spread it out just a little bit, not too much, so he can use it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to like have it be placed over the sides too. So I'm just going to stretch it out and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Awesome. So this is kind of what I did. Let me like get it out of the bright light. I just put a little bit like over the sides, just like, ooh, just like spice it up a little bit, you know? So this is what it looks like right now. And then, so I'm not gonna, I feel like this box is gonna be too big to just like place in there. So I think I'm gonna take some of them out because there's like 12 in here, and I'm just gonna take the rest of them too. But in the box, I'm just probably gonna put like 3. I wanted to buy like the individual or like the one where there's like 3 in there. They didn't have that at Target, which was rude. Target, get it together. Okay, I lied. So I'm gonna put the movies in the back first. Put them like that. Oh. So I put the movies in the back. And then I think I'm gonna put the cookie dough in between the 2 movies. I think I'm just gonna put 2 popcorns in because it looks better that way. I'm gonna put my little boo thing. Take the price tag off though. And then I'm gonna stick the 2 face masks in. Sorry guys, lighting is so bad. I really apologize. And then I'm gonna put my little M&Ms in. And then I'm gonna put my little Peeps that I don't know if he's actually gonna eat in. Oh, and then I'm gonna put the card in the front. Oh wait, I didn't even put it even. So this is what it looks like, guys. So you can definitely customize this to like exactly how you want it. It's just an idea, and you can get a smaller bin. You could go to the Dollar Tree. I went to Target, so this was a little bit expensive, but you can literally go to the Dollar Tree and get the same stuff. And like, it's just the thought that counts. Just really personalize it and make it to you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Throw it up, watch it all fall out.